is a DJI SPARK. This is late 2017 model, and this is the controller you can buy for it. It is paired with it. Currently it is off, and the SPARK here is looking for a connection to something, either a phone, Wi-Fi, or remote control, or it's waiting for you to push the button and do it by hand. So anyways, I'm gonna see how long the propellers will spin once I turn off the controller and sever the connection. Just a little experiment. So right now we're in pairing mode. And we got plenty of battery there. Here's the controller. So I'm going to turn this on, and what it's going to do is going to connect. Hit it once, hit it twice, hold it. Okay, you see a little red flashing light there. Means it's looking to connect to it. Give it a moment. Alright, give it another moment. Okay, looks like we got green here, which means the lighting will change on here to a steady green blink. Alright. And so now we're connected. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down and in on both the sticks here in order to get this thing to go idle for us. Let's make sure we're not going to hit anything, including the camera here. Alright. And then what I'm going to do is let it run for a moment, and then I will turn the controller off and see how long it runs until it shuts off. Alright, ready? Okay, we got juice. It's connected. It's an idle. I don't know if you want to consider it idle or if it's called takeoff mode. Whatever the case may be, the props are spinning. It's connected to here. I don't have the antennas up because we're about 4 inches away from the darn thing, so it's going to connect just fine. All right, here we go. I'm going to shut this off. Hit it once, hit it twice. So now it's shut off. Now it's completely off. So we got the blinking became a lot faster here. It is now saying to itself and to me visually that it's not connected to anything. So there you go. That's how long it takes for the propellers to stop spinning if the controller were to either shut off or you lose signal completely. Alright guys.